Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now, welcome to our YouTube channel. I beg this is our first time when I watch our YouTube channel. When I try, press subscribe and also press notification bell so that we will get update of our latest news. For those that say when they ask me whether I go school at all, I beg I no go school. When I won't go school, now headmaster die. All right. I beg when they mind the pidgin when they speak as fast as they understand them. When I just pick the information, what would they give you now? We get evidence say Inec use server in all the 36 states including FCT. Two group na dey claim this one. So according to the Joint Committee of Information Technology and Legal Experts, they don claim say they have incontrovertible evidence about Inec, Independent National Electoral Commission, say they use server and they use am for the whole 36 states of the Federal Capital Territory, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. The group wey dey talk this one, they talk am on Thursday night for Yola. They say they show, they get document wey they go show, and that one I go show detail and how and when Inec use server for 2019 election. According to Dr. Sani Adamu, wey dey talk, he say im dey represent the two group. He say apart from their incontrovertible facts, say their IT and legal team also have good evidence for their possession wey they go bring to the attention of the tribunal, and also they still get another evidence wey they go also get present also to the tribunal. According to them, they come dey quote Inec chairman, that is the person of Sani Adamu, wey dey represent the two group, come dey quote Inec chairman. He say the electoral body chairman say e don publicly declare say they get another way wey they go take do or pioneer 2019 general election. Say a new platform for the electronic collection and transmission of results of the 2019 election. He can therefore describe the alleged move by Inec, said as they deny the availability of the server. He said this thing, the action dey very bad and very annoying. He said this thing dey loom another national disaster. According to him, he said e dey refer to Inec 2017 and 2021 strategic program of action document, page 5, serial number 1.4, and key action titled Improve ICT operational deployment and utilization, including activities SN 1.4.1 to SSN, that is SN represents serial number 1.4.57. When you come to talk this, he say this series of activity, they don't capture all the essence of the server wey they deploy by Inec. He also insists say that all the activities wey they underscore and approve for a server and its subsequent implementation between the first quarter of 2017 and the fourth quarter of 2018. Specifically, it comes based on the activity serial number 1.4.57 in the Strategic Program of Action 2017 and 2021. It said the INEC leadership have received the approval for the transmission of electronic results to the Collation Center. In the same vein, serial number 1.4.16 indicates say INEC don receive the approval to procure server for the 36 states and the FCT in the second quarter of 2017. And also completed say in the second quarter of 2018, say the document don indicate say INEC receive approval to procure server in the 36 states and also in the FCT. He said for avoiding doubts, he said I go tender a copy of the 2017 and 2021 strategy program of action document. He said which dealt with the issue of ICT, including server, card reader, and the electronic transmission of election results. According to him, he also said he dey call on Nigeria to join the campaign for INEC to hold up and to do needful, because wetin Inec dey do now, the situation dey look like June 12 of wetin dey do Moshood Abiola, according to wetin Dr. Sani Adamu talk. Alright, Inec Inec chairman, please come and you don already talk wetin you wan talk finish, say INEC no use server, but if this evidence wey dis people dey provide, they come provide am as true, that means we no get hope in our electoral system anymore. Okay, I no dey judge, I no dey talk anything, abeg we dey wait for una own comments as na dey lis ten to wetin I dey talk, dey explain more. Abeg una try subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright.